Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, just finished, chicken curry. The ultimate chicken curry, if you ask me. Absolutely wonderful. Takes a little time, this one. It's not all just thrown in the pan and off we go. Couple of processes, but absolutely delicious. Can't wait to tuck into that. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started with this. You've just seen the chicken be cut. I'll show you that in a moment, but first just take a look at this one and then we can move on to that. So, onion chopped, tomatoes chopped. You kind of want 2 to 1 in favor of the tomatoes. Salt, oil, fresh chili. Here I've got garam masala powder. Here I've got garlic ginger powder, and in there I've got 4 powders, which I always call the big 4, equal parts of chili, coriander, cumin and turmeric. All of the amounts, by the way, are going to be written in the text below. What we're going to do is we're going to get this into a blender, blend it all together. Not all of that salt, obviously, just a touch. So I've got a jug type blender there. As you can see, the tomatoes are in, and we're going to now add in the onion, the garam masala powder, the fresh chili, the 4 powders, them being turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili powder, some salt, the garlic ginger paste and some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. Okay, let me get that onto the machine and grind that up. And there you go, you've got an incredible, beautiful paste, which already tastes divine. Let's move on. Okay, so we've got a pan here. I've got some oil in there which I'm making hot. So again, I'm using sunflower oil. I've got some dried chilies, they're going to go in, along with some black peppercorns and some cumin seeds. And we just want to let these guys do their thing just for a few seconds in that hot oil. They'll infuse it and give it a really lovely flavour. Perfect. Just going to turn the heat down now. Simply, we're now going to take our mixture here. I'm going to drop this in. It might be a bit loud, hang on. Fantastic. Okay, so not on a simmer, but above a simmer. We're going to cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes. If it dries out at all too much, we can just add a little bit of water to it. This is really, really going to be delicious. Pretty much all your hard work is done, by the way. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's like 15 minutes. Let's jump in and take a look what we got. That is absolutely gold. Gold in a pan. Okay, off goes the heat. Set that aside. Let's move on to our chicken now. Okay, so here we go. So chicken in a bowl, got some gloves on, and you saw me earlier just cut into it down to the bone on each one. So I've got chicken legs, bone in, skin is on, what we're going to do is add some salt. We're going to add some turmeric. And we're going to add some chili powder. We're going to get our hands in here and just mix this around. Because what we're going to do here now is we're going to fry this chicken off. Then we're going to add it into our sauce that we made, that really wonderful sauce there, lovely and smooth and beautiful. Okay, I've got some cooking oil here, using a bit of sunflower oil. Just going to get that on there now. One more mix, and then we're going to go over, get a frying pan, and we're going to fry this, but we're going to fry it, you know, quite slowly. See you at the cooker in a minute. Okay, so I've got a skillet or a frying pan here. Heat is on. We're going to pick that chicken up and we're going to get it in there. And we're not going to be on a really high heat. There's no need to add oil because we've already added some oil when we mixed it. So yeah, just a kind of below medium. And we want to just cook these for about maybe 8 minutes, 8 or 9 minutes, like that. Turning often. Okay, we're good. Beautiful, nice bit of colour on there. Now don't panic if you feel like your chicken's not fully cooked all the way through, because we've still got a bit of cooking to do here. Look at that, absolutely wonderful. So we're getting these out, we're going to set these aside. We're then going to grab our other pot. Okay, so we're back with that wonderful sauce that we made earlier. Just getting the heat on that again. What we're going to do now, because this is very thick, we're going to add some coconut milk, which is going to really, well, it will thin it out a bit and it's going to give it a really lovely smooth texture. That is looking incredible. A little bit more. So that's like 400 ml, which would be the same as 1 can if you were using from a can. Yeah, look at that. Okay, we're really nearly done. We're gonna grab our chicken. We're gonna pop the chicken in. Then we're gonna get a lid on this, and then we're gonna keep the heat really nice and low, like on a simmer now. I'm going to let it go for maybe another 9 or 10 minutes. Let me grab that lid. Low heat, lid on. When we get back, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, off goes the heat. We are done. Let's get that lid off, let some steam out of there for you. Look at that. That is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful stuff. Cilantro or coriander, fresh, just at the end. Check that for salt. It's going to be, I mean, it's going to be divine, this is, really. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?